Nice one, cool dudes. I am here at... Oh, okay, thanks. Yes. I'm at Knockholt Station, about to undertake the Knockholt Circular. It's 11.7 miles long. I got this walk from the Saturday Walkers Club. All right, let's get going. Good luck, everyone, especially me. I expect to be wanting some Knockholt facts. Well, the name Knockholt actually comes from Anglo-Saxon origins, and it was Ockholt, which means oak copse. So lots of oaks around here, and the K was only added later on, maybe to make it sound posher. Always put a silent K in front to make it sound good. Camaric, or Marek with a K like this. That's how I'm going to spell my name from now on. I've been spending the start of this walk thinking a lot about silent letters. Not just things like the K in front of night and not and knife, but also silent P, like pneumonia and pneumatic. Why are there silent letters at the start of words? If you know, please can you tell me below? A nice one. Here's one of the weirdest things I've seen on a walk. The lower half of a mannequin. This whole section at the start of the walk feels a bit like a deserted apocalypse because it used to be a golf course and it was acquired with plans to build 850 homes here, but protesters have fought against it and stopped the homes from being built currently. So it's just sort of strange, desolate place, but with lots of wildlife, which is pretty nice. Regular viewers will know that I'm a big fan of strange names that you encounter on walks, and that field we just walked through was Pratt's Grove, and perhaps even better, this wood is called Birthday Wood, and it's also my birthday this week. Oh, what a coincidence. And this is Pratt's Bottom, an oast house there for extra points. Good. Bah. The scary dog dropped the ball. Is this your ball? Let's get it in. Oh. There we go. Good boy. He's a good dog. Not so scary now if I'm a ball. That one's quite scary. Look, he puts the ball through the fence for you to carry it. Can you get it through? Good boy. Okay. Here we go. Gross. And yes, I did think I might get my hand bitten off by that dog, but maybe couldn't fit his jaws through the hole. It is very nice around here, but lots of places have cameras and barbed wire and dogs. So it makes me think there is a problem with thieves. And talking of dogs, I'm always petrified of meeting a dog that might try and attack me. And that's one of the reasons that it's good to carry one trekking pole at least, so you could potentially try and stop it from getting you. That is one bit of advice I try to adhere to. The burger was delicious, cool dudes, but what displeased me was the people who sat on the very next table to me in an empty beer garden. Totally ruined my lunch because I was so angry that they did not respect the rules for personal space. There should be at least one table between people if you choose to sit in an empty area. It's the same on the train carriage here. I sat on an empty train carriage in the first seat and someone came and sat in the seat right in front of me in an empty train carriage. Who are these people and should they be destroyed? The answer is yes. If Charles Darwin was alive and he observed that behaviour, he would say that human beings have devolved. What an average shot. And the cottages here. Leaving down now. On the contrary, Mr. Sign, that is up. I'm ashamed of myself for making that dad joke. I'm always ashamed of you. Oh. Red Bull, I think they are the worst in terms of litter. I used to think McDonald's were the worst, but they've started doing this app called Litter Lotto, which I found out about when I was researching it, in which they give people prizes when they put litter in the bin. They take a photo of it, which I think is a really good idea. So even though they're responsible for a lot of litter, at least they're doing something about it, unlike Red Bull, who are arseholes. The second half of this walk is mainly sheep farms. I think the sheep are more terrified of me than normal because of my hat. One of the loudest bars in the world here. Go on then. Stop doing it. There we go. Pretty good. The end part of this walk goes through some quite sketchy farmland, so it's dropping some points towards the end, sadly, on what has been a very good day of walking. I've just picked up someone's packet of prawn cocktail crisps. I hope they enjoyed them. I try and pick up one piece of litter every walk, otherwise I end up having too much of it. I would have picked up the Red Bull can, but it would just dripped everywhere because I didn't have a plastic bag. More litter. Can you guess what it is? Our shopping list. Tickets to Kill a Mockingbird. I'm glad to see that everyone does the shopping list like me, which is in order of the aisles. Full marks to the theatre goer for a very healthy shopping list. I'll put it in the bin for you as well. I'm being a real saint today. We are back on the Disused golf course. The final bit of the walk. Yeah, nice one. The sign's saying I'm doing 3 miles an hour. Can you see that, cool dude? 3 miles an hour. Thank you. That is pretty impressive. 3 miles an hour after a long walk. Nice one, cool dudes. That is the end of the walk. 13.13 miles in about 7 hours with a stop for lunch. The first half was beautiful. Second half, a lot of sheep farms and a bit sketchy, but still a very good walk. If you would like to join the club and help me out, that would be absolutely brilliant. You can join on YouTube from just 99p a month. There are 4 different tiers. You can give as much as you like, and that money goes towards me doing this full time, pretty much. Thanks to everyone who has joined. There's a prize draw for all the members at the end, and also you get to use these emojis and watch members only videos, not the saucy type, the cool type, Alright, that is it, cool dudes. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, one more thing. Stay cool. Alright, see you later. What a lovely stroll around Kent. And yes, this incredible masterpiece in gouache is available on eBay, link below, starting price just £12.56. Can you believe the potential value? I cannot. Right, it's time for the prize draw. Apologies for the mic problems in that. There's a weird thing when I put microphones too close to my mouth, it makes them buzz. Not just my microphones, but professional microphones in things I've filmed where soundmen don't understand it because of something to do with the tone of my voice. Anyway, who cares? This week's prize draw for all you cool members contains one of my favourite things. It is a Super Sparrow, 750 millilitres. I've got 2 given to me, so I've kept one and I'm giving one away. These are the best water bottles you can get. Also in the prize is the greatest zine of all time, available on my website and on Etsy. The badges, the stickers and a Marek keyring. For those of you who enjoyed the psychedelic Marek keyrings, there are a few more I've done available on the website now. And please continue to send me your pictures for the gallery at the end. They are incredible. Thank you very much to everyone who sent them in already. You send them to cooldudeswalkingclub@gmail.com. Okay, that's about all of the admin, isn't it, mate? It's time for the prize draw. Currently, there are 377 cool dudes who are members on YouTube. Random number generator. Generate me a number.
Generate.
51. The person who has been a member for the 51st longest amount of time is Andrew Little. Congratulations, Andrew. I'll put these in the post to you. Alright, that's about it. Oh yeah, one more thing. Stay cool.